We've been working with AOTO on our virtual production studio at Havers Road, and this is a student-facing studio, working with our film students, VFX students, fashion students, photography students.
Something that was really important for us was because the LED was going to be used for lighting, we really wanted RGBW. We're teaching as well, we're a university. RGBW is very new now, newish now, but we've got to be thinking about 3 years in the future. The students are coming in now, but they're not going into industry until 3 years, so trying to future-proof was really important.
The delivery and the support side was really important to us. It was going to be us who were doing the installation, it was going to be us who would be doing all the frontline support in the studio, so I wanted to work with a manufacturer that would be open to working with us as the installers. One of the biggest things that have been brilliant for us has been the communication side of things. We've had a really great direct-to-manufacturer relationship, and that's made our lives really easy, not just from a kind of purchasing point of view.
Something I've noticed with AOTO is that you're not really scared of anything. If you have questions or queries, or you want to, could this be a possibility as well? It's always we'll sort that out, we'll figure out how to do that, instead of, no, this is the product, this is how it works. It's very flexible, which is great.